Hi guys, I'm super excited to talk to you about the Samsung Galaxy S10. Yes, the S10. At the moment there are only leaks and the information gathered has been put together in this video. Here I'll be talking about the 5 most anticipated features coming up in the S10. So let's get into it. Number 1. Display. Rumors are that Samsung is coming up with an unbreakable display featured in CES few years ago, and yes, it's becoming reality. One of the Samsung's videos suggests that the display will be coated with an unbreakable substrate and overlaid plastic, which would provide an unbreakable feature. The video demonstrates the exact toughness of the display. This will be much better than the current models carrying glass displays, as plastic will be much durable and lighter in weight. According to Samsung's Newsroom US, an article published tells us that the display passed military-style drop test, which was 26 times in succession, followed by a freezing test of -32 degrees. The panel not only survived the front, but the sides and the rears remained intact. Guesses are that this display will be on all the S10 variants due to the fact that durability is a key issue with all phones, and Samsung would want to stand out on this feature. Number 2. Camera. Rumors are that the Samsung S10 is most likely to carry 3 major features, which are optical zoom, wide-angle lens, and portrait mode. Currently, no phone supports all these 3 in one solution, but Samsung is looking to implement all these 3 features in one phone, carrying 3 or maybe 4 lenses. Leaks suggest that this is highly likely that the S10 top variant will support 3 cameras. The first lens is supposed to support the aperture, and the second with an optical zoom, and the third with a 1.9 f-stop 16 megapixel wide-angle lens. The S10 Plus model is also likely to get 2 front cameras so that the depth effect and wide angle be possible in selfie mode. The other 2 models will be carrying 2 wide-angle lens but no optical zoom, but the S10 will have the complete camera system which everybody wants. At the moment, there is not a single phone out there that provides optical zoom and wide-angle lens capturing capabilities. Number 3 is the ultrasonic scanner. The on-screen fingerprint scanner has always been a dream of the past, and every tech company has struggled to put it into production. Samsung delayed the project to perfect the area so that it could work undisputedly. The ultrasonic scanner system works in the wet and has said to be the best on any phone. 2 of the Galaxy S models will be using the ultrasonic scanner, whereas the S10 Lite-based model will have the fingerprint scanner on the side of the phone. Number 4. 7nm chip with increased RAM. Samsung's Galaxy S10 will be the first phone in the market carrying a 7nm architecture. Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 CPU or Exynos 9820, depending on the market, will bring in the ultimate performance to the Samsung S10 lineup. Clock speeds will be 3.3 GHz, which is 40% faster than the current generation 10nm processor. Samsung has officially announced that they have developed the first 10nm 8GB LPDDR5 RAM. This sets the baseline for upcoming 5G network and artificial intelligence. Comparison shows that it's 5 times faster than the current DDR4 RAM. It'll be available in 2 different bandwidths, 6400 and 5500 megabits per second, making it the most versatile memory for the next generation smartphone and automotive systems. Number 5. 3D Facial Scanner. Mantis Scanner is the company behind the new facial scanner, superseding the current iris scanner on the Galaxy phones. Samsung's rival Apple's TrueDepth camera will be the equivalent to the system. Samsung promises to give a real 3D experience rather than a superficially 2D image. Samsung has heavily invested with the Israel-based company Mantis, while the camera components being made with another company named as Woodgate. This will make the current 2D system obsolete and replacing it with a more secure system like the TrueDepth camera on the iPhone. To sum it up, next year's lineup of Galaxy phones will consist of less expensive models with 2 other models containing the ultimate feature and hardware. The 3 Galaxy S10 models are likely to be named as Galaxy S10 Lite, Galaxy S10, and Galaxy S10 Plus, which is highly speculated at the moment. S10 Lite will provide all the latest improvements, less the fingerprint scanner and a flat screen, whereas the two other models will have a curved display with an in-display fingerprint scanner. Out of the three, the S10 Plus will be the premium model, sporting top features like 3 rear cameras, 2 front-facing cameras. This whole lineup is mentioned in multiple reports and has been confirmed by KGI, which is undoubtedly the top on providing information on the upcoming technologies. So guys, there you have it, the top 5 features coming in the Samsung lineup. Let me know your thoughts, which one you're excited about, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace out.